Oi, have you gone completely for caca-fara?
I think you've seen too many horror movies, Father.
Mamma mia, it is true. I would not lie.
Yeah? Well, you're gonna have to offer some proof here, Father.
Did my husband put you up to this? To deflect from his bitch stooping? You know, Max, this would explain what we saw in the park.
Well, maybe.
It's true. I know it's true. Because... Yeah? Because my son is a wereman.
Sticky Pincheretto's a wereman?
Well, I don't care for that unique name. But yes, it is true.
How the hell did Sticky become a wereman?
A while back, my son was guarding Mrs. Schnauzer here.
Aye, that was 3 months ago when I went to the bank to stash some diamond-studded collars in my safe deposit box.
Oh,
Ow, son of a bitch!
That's what that was? Huh, I thought he was just calling himself names.
Shut up your face and enjoy the flashback.
son of a bitch jokes never get old.
Anyway, ever since then, with every sunrise, my son turns into a hideous creature known as a human being.
Yahoo!
Father, I think your head is full of matzo balls.
Agreed. The only way to prove this is to surveil Sticky and Murray when the sun comes up.
It is the only way.
Father, are these people dangerous?
It varies from dog to dog. Remember, the dog is inside of the man.
Dog inside man. Man or dogs?
Hey! No need to insult dogs.
Whatever.
We must stop them and banish this terrible human curse.
You okay there, Sniffs?
Just a couple of fleas. Nothing to worry about.
Okay, Father. You and Sniffs follow your son. I'll stay on Murray.
Hey, that's just crazy enough to work.
And what will I be doing, Mr. Monorino?
Well, since we're going to be at this for another day, you are going to be writing another check for another $1,200.
Super synagogues! More money? Huh, for $1,200, I'm going to assist you. See that I get my money's worth.
Alright, but we have to be very inconspicuous, Mrs. Schnauzer. I suggest that you get rid of the toy bin.
Very well.
How you doing? Foofy, hold all my calls. I'm going to debrief our client here.
Mr. Monorino, I'm a married bitch.
And I'm a married son of a bitch. You can call me Max. Hmm? Got some heat going on here. Oh yeah, take it.
Oh, Max.
Oh yeah, take it.
Oh, yeah.
Take it.
Oh, yeah,
Oh
right
yeah,
there.
you like
Oh,
that.
yeah.
You like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Oh, Max.
Oh yeah.
Don't stop. Don't stop.
Take
Don't
it.
stop.
Oh,
don't stop.
Come on,
Oh, yeah.
come on.
Oh, come on. No.
Take Come on.
No, not the tuchus, not the
Come on,
tuchus.
give me some of that tuchus.
Oy, you're an animal, Max.
Right back at you, baby.
What the hell is that?
Ugh, that would be my wife's ringtone. Excuse me a moment. Yes, darling.
Don't you give me that yes, darling bullshit, Maximum Motorino. I don't have time for your nonsense.
What can I do for you? I'm with a client right now.
And is this client a bitch or a son of a bitch?
A bitch, just like you.
Hey!
What?
Oh, right.
Oy, I can't believe I forgot that we're all bitches.
Don't worry, we won't forget it. Alright, darling, that's all I can tell you. The rest is confidential.
I appreciate that, Max.
Is that Elkie Schnauzer, Max?
So much for your anonymity.
That's okay, Max. Hello, Daisy.
Hey, girl, what's going on?
What? You two know each other?
Oh, I know you're not gonna be upset.
If you find out that I sniffed Elkie's ass too.
Hey, now you're talking. When this case is over, the three of us will get together and make a Max sandwich.
Yeah, then you woke up.
Dream on.
I had to give it a shot. Alright, Daisy. We gotta get back to work now. Bye-bye. So, Elkie, what does your husband normally do around this time of night?
If he's not at our pub, he'll be at his health club, taking a schwitz.
Can't he do that on any lawn?
Yeah, that's funny. Never heard that one before. Yep, taking a schwitz.
Okay, then we shall stake out a schwitz.